Meaning of generous.
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 Generous. Generous refers to one's willingness to give or share resources, often in a way that exceeds what is expected or required. It can also describe a person who is kind, considerate, and open-hearted towards others. A generous act may involve donating money or time to a worthy cause, or simply offering help or support to someone in need. Being generous can foster positive relationships and create a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in both the giver and receiver. Overall, generosity is an admirable trait that can improve the lives of those around us.